So this is a really beautiful setup. So this morning I just put some Ticino alternative coffee in there, and super easy to set up. Just washed it out, and now I'm gonna just push the plunge down. Super easy plunge, and now we'll pour my coffee in there. Wow, beautiful. Don't hesitate, guys. This is great.
So these are the scratches from when I was struggling with the pliers to keep this top still so that I can unscrew the bottom to clean it. Because the bottom screws and this top also comes apart. See? Like you can see the marks all over the rod because I had to use a pair of pliers to hold it still. Because every time I tried to hold it by this top to unscrew the bottom, only the top came off, or it would just not work. I don't know, not very smart. So, just short of 3 months, and this is what it looks like. Disappointing. I hand wash it, and don't use a scrubber pad, but a soft, handy wipe wash rag. And the paint is peeling off. Not the best. Very disappointing. Even up here on the lid.